So this morning, Google published a new document outlining RCS Google Messages archival. It also applies in my testing to MMS and SMS as well. But the crux of it is when you send a text, RCS, what have you, to a device with the appropriate managed configuration set on Google Messages, and that is a requirement that Google Messages be the default application, then an archival application with the appropriate approval can intercept a broadcast made by Google Messages to receive the message, RCS, text, SMS or MMS, and do with it what it will. With this documentation, because Google have ever so kindly provided some reasonable in-depth detail on how to make it work, I've gone over and created myself a test application. So the app doesn't need to be open. Obviously it has been opened and it probably would be open as part of onboarding, but in this case it doesn't need to be. It will work in the background. I've got a worker that syncs every hour or so up to my API, but I've also got a manual button just for the purpose of demonstration. Now if I send a text message, or an RCS message I should say, so test RCS, you should see it then pops up on the device here. Now because I've got a worker that runs every hour or so, if I do nothing, eventually it'll pop up to the API and it will batch as is recommended by Google's documentation. Because I'm too impatient and for the purpose of the video, if I tap sync now, you should see when I refresh this, test RCS MMS in. Now RCS messages, for whatever reason, come in under MMS in Android's database. There's a reason for it. I don't know what it is. It's fine. But there's also SMS. So whether it's RCS, SMS or MMS, it seems that with the application, I can fetch it, store it, sync it, and do what I want with it. This is a cool proof of concept. Obviously, I could go and create some managed configs that allow for the integration into other endpoints. So an organization could, in theory, use this demo application for their own archiving endpoints if desired. But this is what I've got for now. Maybe I'll keep at it. If there's any interest in seeing this do more, by all means reach out. Otherwise, there you go.